my name is Lindsay, and welcome to our video on how to make a Brussels sprout salad. For this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon of mustard. You can use spicy or Dijon mustard works well, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. These will be the components of your dressing. This dressing can be used on many different types of greens, so if you find that you like it, try doubling the batch and store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Simply add all of these into a small bowl and whisk to combine. Next, we'll toast half a cup of walnuts in a small pan over low heat for about 2 minutes, just until they are brown and fragrant. Finally, prepare your Brussels sprouts by slicing off the hard end piece. Separate the leaves into a medium bowl. Once you've done that, you're ready to put it all together. Re-whisk the dressing if it has separated. Drizzle your dressing over the Brussels sprouts. Grab your walnuts and top your salad with the walnuts. Stir everything until it is well combined. There you have it, a vibrant citrusy Brussels sprout salad. We hope you enjoy this dish, brought to you by the Healthy Teaching Kitchen at the VA Portland. Thanks for watching.